Hi friends, welcome back to Keeping Up with Miss Electra. Okay, I'm in Pottery Barn, so let's see what they have for Christmas in Pottery Barn. I'm so excited, it looks beautiful already. Alright, let me start with the pillows here, see what kind of pillows they have. A lot of plaid, that one's pretty, has fur around it. That's another different kind of plaid. You can mix plaids together, guys, I love that kind of look. A nice merry pillow. That bear is so cute. I like these stripes. It has like ticking stripe on one side and a thicker stripe on the other. Another plaid, but this has like a glittery deer on it. Okay, the truck, that one's a pretty one too, with a tree on top. The very, very soft pillows, very good quality, of course, because it's a Pottery Barn. Alright, this is in the front of the store. Look how cute these little ornaments are. I think they're so adorable. They're so pretty and shiny. I like what they did here. They put them all in a big jar with snow. Those trees, you just hang them on those trees. Look how cute these vintage Christmas lights are. Those are so pretty. Go like Mercury. This, I don't know what that was. More Santa. Look how cute these little like snowmen head are. They're really, really pretty. Look how pretty this green is. And they put them all in the jar. See, they come like that. That was really pretty. Alright, so look how pretty these poinsettias are. They're in real life. They look so real and they're so pretty. And the quality. This is cute. It just comes like individual in a burlap. That's a vase filler. They're really pretty. That was like a little a throw. Some reindeers. See, they come in that little burlap. Look how pretty these trees in that tray. I just love it. I love how they just put all those together, and it's kind of pricey, so I'm not buying that, but I just love the way it looks with the poinsettias and the tree. I would love to do that this year. Alright, you see, and then they have these little trees that you can put those ornaments on and set it on your table. I thought that was pretty. Alright, I'm going to show you some trees. Alright, this tree was so pretty. I just want to take that tree home. I actually just want to take everything home, or I want to live in there. Alright, so I'm going to just show you the pretty ornaments. That one was really pretty. And this is a little galvanized tree. It lights up. The famous galvanized tree. Some photos. Bird cages. It's a pretty start. And I love that they have them in the bottom of all these buckets. It was really fun in there. I like that ornament with the music notes. Yeah, I had really a lot of fun in Pottery Barn. Pottery Barn is one of my favorite stores. That ornament's pretty. This is my favorite. This vintage ornament. So pretty. And they had a lot of mercury, so these were, you know, set on a table. Very beautiful. Bird cage. Look at some ornaments again. That horn was pretty. And then they had some stockings. I wasn't too crazy about the stockings, but this one was so soft, I just wanted to hug it. So yeah, alright, some more pillows. They're very great pillows. I love this one, of course. If you like gnomes. That was pretty too. And these blankets are so pretty. These throws. This one is really pretty. It has a vintage feel. It's a pillow, then it's velvety on the other side. Okay, how pretty is this holly berry? And it was so real. It looks so real. Another joy pillow. Okay, look how pretty this table, like just something different. I want to show you a different twist, kind of like Scandinavian, right guys, that kind of feel. So it was very pretty. You know I love tablescapes. This caught my eye. I had to show you guys. Alright, these things are to die for. It was furry heaven. They were so soft. They're robes. This is like a little trinket holder if you have to put in your room. Alright, these robes, guys, were so soft. And so with these blankets, loving them. All different colors. Okay, this was called a teddy bear robe. and it felt like a teddy bear. Came in 2 colors. All right, I'm going to show you this table display. How pretty, guys. All those Mercury trees. Oh, glittery tree. There's 2 there's a clear one and then there's a Mercury tree. All different sizes. That's the clear one. How pretty, guys. Yeah, I just want to show you this display. It was so beautiful. I'm enjoying going to all the stores and enjoying all the decor. Alright, some candles. That candle was pretty. It had like berries in there. That is so pretty. It just spins. I just love that one. And my favorite scent is, I don't like the red one was good. It was a good scent, but my favorite was the green one. I think I'll show you right here. Alright, and these are potpourri in a bowl. They're so pretty, and they smell really good. It would smell like a tree. Alright, so this tree is cute. Let me show you some ornaments. Okay, these are bottle brush Santa. They had a few bottle brush stuff ornaments. I want to show you guys. So that was the Santa one. That is pretty. I'm in love with those. I'm thinking of getting those. Red car with the tree on top, the famous red car. Some little sparkly letters, pretty to put on your tree. And these are all like wool ornaments of animals. That one's really pretty. You see those were bottle trees. This right here, I'll show you in a minute. That doll was pretty. These are all like bottle tree ornaments. So yeah, I didn't show you the other ones, but they had more. That one is so pretty. It lights up. It's a Mercury glass. And his boot. Super cute. They're really, really pretty in person. Alright, the famous camper. She is so cute. I'm taking her home for my daughter. So this tree is really pretty, guys. Look at the Mercury beads. In love with it. I just want to show you a few things that they have in the tree. That is so pretty. I love that one. Another ornament that lights up. Look how cute those swans are. They're swans, right? Right, friends. Gorgeous. If you had a whole bunch of them on your tree. Alright, another little display I want to show you with the galvanized trees and the Mercury and clear trees. That one was white. It was very pretty. I don't know what it was made out of. Glass, but I don't know if there was something inside of it, but it's beautiful. Okay, look how beautiful this setup is in the cloches. I just love it, the way they did it. I love the trees, galvanized trees, and those houses. Alright, this is Mercury, you know, string lights. You can put around your tree or anywhere. They're really beautiful, the Mercury glass. And then they had these little trees in the bottle, and then some stars. And then this is really cute, the old-fashioned lights, Christmas lights, but in Mercury. And these are balls. They're really, really, oh my God, they're so beautiful. They're really big, guys. They look small, but they're pretty big. And the snow, I love their snow in Pottery Barn. All right, so yeah, I'm just showing you all the sizes and the sizes of the galvanized trees and the houses. I was in love with everything, guys. I just love to go there and just see their setup. The joyful stockings and some more trees in baskets, which I love this year. That's the bigger size one. Okay, this is a big cardinal that you can put on top of your tree. It is so beautiful. It's a tree topper. I don't know if you guys can see it. Alright, I love this little setup. I wanted to show you guys. The lantern. And this is a big Mercury glass star. It's huge if I tell you. Alright, I found another pillow. And I love this pillow because it's green and white on the other side. I love that plaid. And this was interesting because it was patches of all different kind of plaid together in that pillow. Alright, I came in the back and I want to show you this tree because this tree is like a coastal tree. You know, like beachy. So those trees are made out of like starfish, I guess. So I'm gonna show you a close look of all these ornaments. This was really fun. All right, look at that. It looks like bubbles. They have a with a tree, like little bubbles. I don't know. It was just so cute. I had so much fun, guys. Okay, so if you're into beachy theme, this is the theme. It's so beautiful. Look at the mermaid, how pretty. Okay, I love these blankets with pom-poms. They have white, red, and like a gray color. So pretty, guys. It's so soft. And then there's some other blankets. I'm telling you, all the blankets in there are so soft. I love that plaid. Alright, so I'm at the bed section. I'm going to show you two beds, the way they made the beds, which are so beautiful for Christmas. Love this one, love this comforter, love the way they layered the bed, love this pillow with the truck. Just love the way they put all that plaid together. I just want to go in that bed. Alright, these are nice sheets. And this is a really nice quilt, so soft. And then some like bathrobes. These are bathrobes. Good quality, very soft. And I love that they're white. Alright, and some more sheets. Plaid sheets they had. I'm just taking a look. Alright, this is another bed, another plaid bed. Alright, this is nice. Traditional plaid. Love the pillows. And I love the sheets they have underneath the truck. I love how they do the truck. Alright, so here is, I think it's a Woody, it's really called, or the red famous truck, the comforter, and the sheets. Very soft, guys. Alright, love this robe. Alright, I just want to jump into those beds. Anyway, let me show you just a little setup with the pillows. Alright, and these are stockings. Like I told you, I'm not too crazy about their stockings, but I just wanted to show you guys. Just give you a look. That one's not that bad. Alright, these candles are so pretty. They're made out of mercury glass. They come in red and silver and in gold, and they come in small and very big. So I'm just loving them. I'm thinking of picking up the little one. I just think they're so pretty. That's the gold one, and that's the red. Alright, and then they have some mercury candle holders. Love Mr. and Mrs. Claus kissing, salt and pepper shakers. This one's a salt and pepper shaker too. I love these dishes, peppermint and the red truck. And those are napkin rings. They're really cute. And then I want to show you these. These are really cute, these napkin rings. I just love them. Alright, and these are like placemats, but they're made out of cork. So they're really cute. That plaid. So yeah, that was really cute. Alright, little Santa mugs, shot glasses. I don't even know what those are. And then I'm going to show you some mugs. That was the reindeer. They have the elves. They even comes in green too. Mrs. Claus is so cute. And oh, what fun. That one's a cute one. Alright, and then they have these dishes. I just want to show you, you know, with the reindeers. They're cute. You know, it's more like a rustic feel. They have the mugs. They have everything to the set that you could possibly want. Big dishes, small dishes, serving platters. And then they have the antler. Alright, I love this. This is place card holders. It's choo-choo train. It is so pretty, guys. I just love it. You could just use it as just a display too. Really. Okay, and this is a salt and pepper shaker. How pretty is that, guys? I love that. Here it is, out of the box. A lot of silver. This is another place card holder. These two, these little like houses and trees. Those are really pretty. So I want to show you this place setting. So pretty. The dishes are pretty. Love the bowl, the dish underneath, and then the plaid place mat. Okay, I just love this whole setup. They used a lot of silver, which I'm loving too. So these are the dishes. Very pretty. Now these are the plaid dishes. Those are very pretty too. You can just use those alone. So I'm just give you a whole overview. Just love it. Okay, then they have the plaid dishes down there. This is really cute. This little bear. You know, milk and cookie set. It's cute for a gift, and the box is even cute too. Alright, I just want to show you this before I leave, because it had a lot of white pillows, you know, and silver, if that's like really your style. You know, the look you want, furry pillows, that's beautiful, that pillow. Quilted white pillows, knitted with fur around it. So, yeah, alright guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for coming with me to Pottery Barn. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you're having a great holiday season. I hope you're enjoying me showing you around. So, if you do, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!